What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I've been having a lot going on, a lot of lifing, but we back making videos. So this is kind of like a little update video because I got something coming. But first, let's get to the vet. I need to wash this vet. That's pretty much what I'm fixing to do now, because as you can see, it is super dirty from when I changed that transmission fluid. And I hope that fixed that deal, but I don't know, maybe it didn't. Now, in the process of fixing that, the transmission lights went out, but the problem was like some damn O2 lights came on. So I don't know if I hit something or what. Not really too concerned about those, whatever. I can fix them. I probably just knocked something loose when I was dealing with the drain plug. But anyway, what I need to do right now, and even though it's going to rain soon, I need to wash this car. I really need to wash it because I'm tired of it looking like this. I haven't driven it in I don't know how long. So we got to get that going, because I really can't even say it's fixed until I drive it and get that transmission, you know, at least 200. When I tested it, probably only got it like 150. The issue doesn't happen around that temperature anyway. So I can't really say for sure that it's fixed until I drive it for a while. And I don't know when it's gonna be. I really don't know when it's gonna be. But anyway, what I do need to do right now is fix it, because it is looking a mess. I mean, it's still clean, but you know what I mean. We need to clean it up. So we're gonna do that real quick. It's gonna rain this weekend. In fact, it's gonna rain tomorrow, but I don't even care, because I just need to clean it. I just need to clean it. I can't stand it. So we're gonna do that, and then after that, I'm gonna give you an update of what's coming down the pipe. You may like it, you may hate it. I may like it, I may hate it. I don't even know myself. But we're gonna save it for a surprise. You ain't getting a surprise in this video, but yeah. Okay, we got this old girl all cleaned up. I ain't putting no armor all on her. I figured she ain't want none of that right now, but we got it all cleaned up. Now, back to these $500 lights. Muy bueno. I probably had these a couple years now. eBay lights, holding up well, still clear. I don't know why these people be spending all this money on these lights when they can be like a real G and get some $500 lights and still be working it out. Okay, so here's what we're doing. We are bringing another car to the channel. You heard it right. I got another addition to the channel. Now, I want y'all to put in the comments what you think it is, and whoever right first will get a Starbucks gift certificate. Shit, I don't know. I'm just making this up as I go. Anyway, we got another car coming to the channel. Am I getting rid of the C6? Nope. Not getting rid of that. I can't even see myself getting rid of it. But we got another car coming, and I'll say it's fast. It's fast. I just can't do stock no more. It's fast. We got another car coming to the channel. Can't wait to reveal it to y'all. Hopefully, I'm going to pick it up this weekend. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about it. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a lot of content with it. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of content with it. But what does that mean for some of this other stuff I got? Well, I already told you that the the vet ain't going nowhere. But as you can see, I'm running out of room. I got cars in the front too, the daily driver. So what do you think is going bye-bye? Bwah, 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 bwah. I don't even drive it too much no more. And I definitely won't be driving it with this other car that I'm getting. So I'm getting rid of the Honda. So if you want a fast little scooter about, it runs, it drives. Battery's dead because I never drive it, but it runs and drives. I give it to you on a low. We may even get that bad boy away in a drawing, but you're gonna have to pick it up and ship it yourself. I ain't paying for that shit. Anyway, the only thing wrong with it, you got a slight transmission leak. At least that's all I remember that's wrong with it. And if you watch some of my videos, you know that it's fun. So having said that, if I don't need that anymore, then I don't need some other stuff that I got. Let me turn some lights on. So what I was thinking about doing, oh Lord, it kind of scared me. What I was thinking about doing with some of these parts that I bought for the Civic that I never put on, they're brand new, straight off eBay, was to do a giveaway. I don't really sell merch on the channel. I have a store, but I don't promote it, I don't do nothing like that. But I'm like, why not? I'm gonna create a few more designs, and then in a random order, I'm gonna give away some parts. So what is some of the parts I'm gonna give away? Well, it might be these arms for the old Civic. These bad boys are brand new. What else am I going to give away? This GT35 or whatever it is turbo. I do not need it. Sitting in there. So if you're looking for an eBay turbo, which is a go-getter, it's a go-getter turbo. I'm gonna put that in a lucky person's order. So go to my merch store and buy something, and I'm gonna randomly put that turbo in your order. Why not? Everybody else do it. And the difference between me and a lot of these other people, I don't get that many views. So your chance of getting a $20 turbo, because my shirt's only like 20 bucks or so, they're very high. They're very high, a lot higher if you was going to these big names. Yeah, a whole lot higher, whatever. So we're gonna do that. I'll put a turbo out maybe in the next video. I ain't pulling it out now, but just know you get a turbo, I mean, you buy something out of the store, and you're probably gonna get, that's a high probability you're gonna get a turbo. If 2 people order, then I'm gonna randomly give it to whoever that second person was. That's what a player do. He roll the cards, and whatever happens, happens. That's what I'm gonna do with that turbo. But anyway, we're gonna cut this video off. I just wanted to say that. Don't forget to check out the merch store. Buy something, get a chance to get a free turbo. And you could probably go back a few videos that I showed the turbo on and all the specs, so you can see what it is. But it's essentially eBay turbo, GT, whatever. It's a good one. One of the ones the Boosted Boys used for years. People be hating on these eBay turbos, but that little 50 trim in there, boom, monster, fun as hell. Don't be hating on them. And this is your opportunity to get one for like 20 bucks, brand spanking new. Anyway, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Peace.